When a Toyota vehicle changes ownership, removing the previous owner's access from connected services is essential. This protects their personal data while ensuring the new owner can fully utilize the Toyota app and connected features. Without proper account transfer, the previous owner's personal information remains accessible, and the new owner cannot use remote start, vehicle health monitoring, or other connected features. The dealership handles this process through three essential steps that ensure proper data protection and service continuity. First, gather all necessary documentation. This includes proof of new ownership, such as the vehicle title and registration, and when possible, obtain consent from the previous owner for the account transfer. Next, contact Toyota customer service to initiate the account deactivation process. Provide the vehicle's VIN number along with the ownership documentation to verify the transfer request. Finally, verify the current service plan status and any remaining subscription terms. This ensures proper continuity of services and helps determine which features will transfer to the new owner. Proper account transfer protects the previous owner's personal data, ensures the new owner can access all connected services, and maintains continuity of Toyota's digital features and subscriptions. The account transfer process begins with collecting the required documentation. You'll need proof of new ownership, previous owner consent when available, and dealer authorization forms. Next, contact Toyota customer service with the vehicle's VIN and ownership details to request disconnection of the previous owner's account. Have all documentation ready for verification. Once the old account is deactivated, assist the new owner in creating their own Toyota account and linking the vehicle's VIN to establish ownership in the system. Transfer any eligible service subscriptions to the new owner's account. Note that some services may need to be repurchased, and older vehicles may have limited transfer capabilities or require hardware updates. Following these 4 steps ensures a smooth account transfer process. Always verify that all services are properly activated and the new owner has full access to their Toyota connected services.